All right, guys, Justin and Nick from Racing and Randomness, and as we talked about at the end of our other video, we had changed those slave cylinders out on the rear end, and it did not work. It wasn't enough pressure due to the sizes of them. So what we did was we actually added a second set above that. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's a little quick and dirty, so no judging on that, but this isn't a spot that no one will be seeing this thing, so I'll show you what we did here. Like I said, kind of quick and dirty. These are the two that we put in originally, and then we put this bracket in here with a support, and it's bolted and mounted here with a second set. Also, we added some length to the levers off the rear end. So these upper ones move a little bit farther, but they have way more leverage on that rear end. So we're gonna get ready and test this here real quick and see if it works. Okay guys, so we just finished testing the upgrades that we made, and it still requires quite a bit of pressure, so we need some longer arms for the control levers. We're gonna have to see about getting some of those CNC'd or something somehow. But we do have some extensions on there right now, and yes, it's just PVC, but it allows us to make them longer. So that does help. But we're gonna go out and test this thing in the field real quick. We have a friend that actually owns a fire truck that's stuck, and we're gonna go yank that out for him because he tied his truck and trailer with a 12,000 pound winch to it, and it literally pulled the truck and trailer backwards and didn't get it out. So we think this thing will take it out for him. So let's go try that.
Based on that first pull, we really didn't know how well it was going to come out because that thing just spun the tracks, and we've never seen that before. So back here where we pulled him out of, I don't know how well the camera picks it up, but we are at least a foot deep in the mud. It was clear up to the axle on this truck, and this fire truck was built to last, so it is not something that's going to be light. I'll show you a quick pic over here. I mean, it was just buried here after sitting all winter here in Ohio. So keep watching along, and I'm sure that we're gonna have some pretty interesting footage here coming up real soon.
All right, guys, what we got here is a 1964 Persh fire truck. This is a 550-gallon pumper truck, and it belongs to a couple of our friends, and as you can see, they had it stuck, and we came out here to get it out for him. He actually had that truck and trailer hooked up to it, and literally drug the truck and trailer backwards with the winch. It wouldn't even budge it. So needed something a little bit bigger. But what we'll do now is we'll just kind of walk around and kind of show you the whole truck and everything, and let you see what it's all about. But for as old as this thing is, I mean, it is in immaculate shape. Everything works. The pumps work. Everything. The controls and everything for it are on the other side, but they had this thing stuck all the way down to the axle pretty much on the other side. Over here you can see all the pressure gauges, controls, everything that they use to run the pumps and everything, and everything still works. That's what's really cool about it. Not that this is a classified, but it is for sale, just so everybody knows. It's 15 grand if anybody wants it. But this thing runs and drives great. But what we'll do now is we'll actually start this thing up and hit the lights and the siren and let you guys hear it. Pretty dang cool. Pull hard. Well, guys, we got that fire truck out of the situation that he found himself in and got it back on the road. So I know we were supposed to work on the golf cart some this video, but this little thing we did kind of came upon us on a lark. So we got that taken care of. This week we're actually going to start disassembling the golf cart and getting it ready to get it painted, and then start figuring out how we're gonna squeeze the new engine in there. So once again, from all of us here at Racing and Randomness, thank you for following along with all this. Like, subscribe, comment, share, please help us out. And next video is coming real soon, guys, so stay with us.